In December 2009, the Committee of European Banking Supervisors published the guidelines on the implementation of the revised large exposure regime, with the aim of ensuring harmonized implementation across the member states. Those guidelines focused on the definition of connected clients, in particular, control and economic interconnections. In this context, in November 2017, the EBA published final guidelines on the treatment of connected clients, which replaced the CEBS Guidelines aiming at supporting institutions identifying all possible connection among their clients, in particular when control relationship or economic dependency should lead to the grouping of clients because they constitute a single risk. These guidelines focus exclusively on the issue of connected clients as defined in the CRR and apply to all areas of CRR where the concept of group of connected clients is used. For example, on large exposure regime or on the categorisation of clients in the retail exposure class for the purpose of credit risk, included the EBA technical standards and the EBA guidelines that refer to that concept. In particular, these guidelines cover the following aspects: group of connected clients based on control, alternative approach for exposures to central governments, establishing interconnectedness based on economic dependency, relation between interconnectedness through control and interconnectedness through economic dependency, control and management procedures for identifying connected clients.